Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the coolest frontiers of science and technology. Today, we're breaking through the barriers of conventional computing because we've got some mind-blowing news. Picture this: a quantum computer that's not just breaking records but rewriting the rules of the game. I'm talking about logical qubits, laser-tagged atoms, and a leap into the future of supercharged computing. Hold on to your quantum hats because you're in for a ride. So, why should you be excited? Imagine quantum computers swooping in to save the day by slashing the energy needed for cryptocurrencies. It all boils down to the number of qubits in a quantum computer. IBM and Atom Computing recently revealed devices with over 1,000 qubits, 3 times more than the previous champs. But here's the twist: bigger doesn't always mean better in the quantum realm. Larger quantum computers tend to goof up more. Now let's talk about the show's stars, logical qubits. These cool quantum entities are like a dream team of qubits that team up through quantum magic to power through computations without making a mess of errors. Traditional computers have their ways of fixing mistakes, but quantum info is too special to copy. That's where entanglement comes to the rescue, spreading the quantum goodness across groups of qubits. Now, onto the making of this quantum marvel. The researchers started with a bunch of rubidium atoms, chilling them to nearly zero using lasers and magnets. Yeah, we're talking seriously cold. Then, they played laser tag with the atoms, creating 280 qubits. But they didn't stop there. They took things up a notch by entangling groups of qubits using laser pulses, forming logical qubits. And guess what? They made 48 logical qubits at once. That's more than 10 times the previous record. Why is this such a big deal? According to the quantum brainiacs, having this many logical qubits is a quantum leap for any computing platform. Now, let's talk about how this quantum wonder works. Unlike its chip-based cousins from IBM and Google, Quera's computer uses optical tweezers made of laser beams to make its qubits interact and share information. It's like a high-tech dance of light-controlled atoms, making it sleek and efficient. But here's the real kicker: the logical qubits in this quantum beast are outperforming their physical qubit counterparts. The team tested them with computer operations and algorithms, and guess what? Fewer errors. It's like having a quantum superhero that makes fewer calculation mistakes. We're not at the fully error-free quantum utopia yet, but we're taking big strides. The experts think we need thousands of logical qubits for a flawless quantum computer. But the fact that we're already exploring fault tolerance is pretty darn exciting. The quantum journey is just beginning. Don't miss out on the revolution. Subscribe now and join us on the cutting-edge technology.